Hey guys, my name is Ty and I'm in Dallas, Texas. And I find it kind of funny that I'm chatting with you about a skincare thing. Like I've never had a concern really with my skin. It's always been pretty good until I got a little bit, well, less young. I literally I woke up one morning and I had all of a sudden breakouts on the shoulders and on the back and on the chest. I was getting all of this acne, and I tried. Oh my gosh, I tried at least 6 or 8 different products, over the counter, things that people recommended, things that I read online, which probably is not the smartest thing to do. And I pretty much given up that I was going to have to just deal with it. And then a friend of mine talked to me about SkinKick, and I was a little skeptical. I'd never heard of SkinKick, so I went to the site and checked it out. And the number one thing that I really liked was just that it was natural. And I was like, well, what am I going to lose? Oh my God. Like within, I mean, I don't want to exaggerate, but within 24 hours, I saw a difference. Within 48 hours, almost gone. Within 3 or 4 days, gone. And I mean, gone. I don't mean like down to the little red bump. I mean, gone. It feels weird to talk about it, right? Like as a guy, we don't really talk about like what we think about the way we look, but it was making me second guess. Like I'd put all this work into the gym, like, well, dang it, this really sucks because here's summertime and I want to be able to be comfortable. And then because I am so fair skinned, I'm very aware of like I have to wear sunblock and take care of my skin. I don't want to add any more chemicals onto me. That's been my journey. And I don't think I'll ever use anything else. I haven't had a major breakout at all since I've started using the product. It made me feel like, all right, I can focus on other stuff. I have enough stuff going on in my life. I do not need to worry about acne. I'm not 18. I got a mortgage. So it's nice to be able to have a product that's reliable, that's safe, and that's natural. And I can see I'm starting to get a breakout. I know that I can control it. And having that control back, just that control, is worth everything to me. I'm Ty, and I skin kick it.